In this video, we are going to create a separate layout for all the admin related tasks. Let's take a quick demo of the feature. If you don't have the code till now, please clone the repository and check out the branch feed manage books. Let's get started. First and foremost, we need to create a layout file. So create a view inside the views folder or directory, and inside it we have this shared directory, and inside the shared directory we will create a new view underscore admin layout.cshtml. I already have created a basic admin panel for that, which is available in my guists. Link of this guest will be available in the description. Now I'm going to copy it and paste it in the admin layout. We can also separate the CSS from here. All we need to do is create a new file with name underscore admin layout.cshtml.css, which is similar to the name of our layout page. Just put the .css at the end. CSS in this file will be applicable only to the admin layout.cshtml file, and in order to achieve this functionality you must add this line here. Now move your all the CSS to this file. Here we will load our content pages, so call the render body method here. Open the all orders view and add layout equals to underscore admin layout. Run this project, and I'm already logged in with admin account. Let's check this order nav, and here is the typo. So let's fix this. Now let's check it again. Now you can see our admin layout is applied to this page. Now open the admin layout and update all the links. To update the manage account and logout link, we need to open the login partial view. Copy this link from here. Since manage page is inside the area, so we need to type /identity/ and paste the copied link here. Copy these lines from here and paste them here. Now replace the text username with user.identity ? It means it is nullable. .name here to display the logged in user's username. Open the layout.cshtml and comment these links. Now add admin layout to other pages also. Now run the project and check every link available in the admin panel. Now I see the problem, and the problem is once we are in the home, then we do not have any navigation link to navigate to the admin section. Open the admin operations controller, add a new method dashboard, create a view for it, and its layout should be admin layout. Now open the underscore layout.cshtml file, create a navigation link for the dashboard which is available to the admin only. Let's run the project. Now we can easily switch between home section and admin section. Let's check the manage account page. Let's check the logout button. If we log in with user account, you won't be able to see the admin section. Everything seems as expected. So that's it for now. See you next time.